Hello friends, my name is Richa. I ended up scoring 8.5, 9, 7.5, 7.5 in my IELTS Journal Training exam. And today, through this video, I'll be talking about on how to write an introduction in your IELTS Writing Task 2 in just 3 sentences or even less. In this video, we'll be talking about what an introduction structure should look like, and then we'll dig deeper into the same by taking the different examples. Yes, the introduction para is one of the most important paragraphs in the whole essay. But in order to impress the examiner, you shouldn't spend more than expected time in writing the introduction. In order to make the introduction writing easier for you and how to write it in lesser time, let's have a look on the structure. Primarily, the introduction should not have more than 3 sentences. And these sentences are: first of all, it should start with the background statement. Herein, you give a general idea about the topic, which is broadly true. That means it can't be contradicted, and yes, it is optional. And then comes the paraphrasing statement. Herein, you rewrite the question prompt in your own words. And lastly comes the thesis statement. You need not to worry about the sophisticated term. Herein, you are actually going to tell the examiner what your opinion is or what are your plans that you are being following in the essay. In order to explain you further how you can write the introduction to any type of question in just 3 sentences or even less, I have taken examples of different type of questions here. Even you can start writing your own introduction along with me and can put up in the comment section. So let's begin with the problem solution type question. Here the question is: nowadays, people are living longer because of better healthcare and medications. This is putting pressure on hospitals and medical staff who manage their care. So what are some problems with the longer life expectancy, and discuss some possible solutions. So let's begin writing the introduction with the first sentence, which will revolve around the better healthcare and medications and the longer life. My general statement is: people are surviving to a much later age due to advancements and improvements in medicinal technology. Now come the paraphrasing of the question, wherein I'll be rephrasing the question prompt in my own language. As a result of our aging population, there is now increased stress on hospitals and professionals, which is causing issues. And lastly comes the thesis statement, wherein I'll be showing the examiner what I have planned further in the essay or my opinion. Here I have written, this essay will discuss the issues of people living longer and some of the resolutions. So as you saw, in just 3 sentences, I wrote the introduction in just 51 words, and now I can focus on my body paragraphs and conclusion further. Now let's have a discussion and opinion type question. Here the question is: some people think that mobile phones are harmful for children while others disagree. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So once again, I'll start with the general statement, which is: nowadays there has been a rising concern over the impact of technical gadgets on young minds. Then I'm going to paraphrase the question in my own words by stating: people hold different views as to whether mobile phones are detrimental to children or not. And then comes my thesis statement, and herein I have expressed my opinion because opinion is being asked in the question and I can very well introduce in the thesis statement. In my opinion, this depends very much on how the phones are used and how that use is supervised as to whether they are harmful for children or not. Again, in total 60 words, I wrote my introduction in just 3 sentences, and now I'm good to go. Now, let's take another example of agree-disagree type question. Some people consider price as the most important thing to think about when buying a product such as cell phone or service, example medical treatment. Do you agree or disagree? Once again, I am introducing my general statement, which is: monetary value is considered as one of crucial factors in order to decide for the final purchase of any commodity. Then comes my paraphrasing line. It is thought by some people that the price of a product or service is essential to consider before deciding to buy something. And then comes my thesis statement. As this is the agree-disagree type question, in the thesis statement, I am going to tell the examiner whether I am agreeing or disagreeing to the statement. So here I wrote, while agree to the statement, and the reasons are discussed below. Also, on the agree-disagree type question, I'd like to stress upon on the fact that don't go by the emotions on the topic. Always brainstorm the ideas and pick that side on which you have better ideas, vocabulary, and you're confident enough that you can write the essay worth your desired score. And here I have covered around 55 words for my introduction in 3 sentences. Now, let's have an example of the advantage-disadvantage type question. The question is, machines are replacing humans in many industries. What are some advantages and disadvantages of the same? In case you're not too much confident about the general statement, and I have already highlighted that it is an optional sentence, then there you can even start your introduction simply by paraphrasing the question in your own words, which I have done it here. Nowadays, machinery is taking the place of jobs previously carried out by people in many businesses. And then comes my thesis statement. Here, I don't have the choice to pick any side. So, my thesis statement is like, this essay will discuss the positive and negative outcomes of the development. So, in just 28 words, 2 sentences, I wrote my introduction, and now I'm good to go to concentrate my ideas for the body paragraphs and the conclusion. Now let's take a double question type question in the writing task 2. It is predicted that robots are going to become increasingly important in our lives. First, question prompt is, how could robots be used in the future? Secondly, will this development be a positive or a negative development? Again, as I cannot think of any general statement, so here I simply start with paraphrasing of the question in my own words. The role of artificial intelligence is assumed to be evolving in everybody's life in the time to come. And then my thesis statement, wherein I am going to express what I am talking about in my essay. And then comes the thesis statement, wherein I am telling the examiner what I am going to write in the body paragraphs or in the essay further. This essay will highlight some feasible application of robots in the future and explain why this development will be advantages, disadvantages, one for the humanity. So here you have the choice to pick any one side. So just brainstorm one of your best ideas and write accordingly the thesis statement. Again, in just 42 words, 2 sentences, my introduction is done. I know, after having discussed the introduction structure or even some of the examples where you can write 3-sentence or 2-sentence introduction, many aspirants still struggle in writing the perfect introduction. So in order to help you, here is the list of some useful expressions which you can use to express your 3-sentence introduction and can gain the desired band score. And these are, for the general statement sentences, you can begin your essay with, there is no doubt that, or it is clear that, nowadays, these days, in recent years, over the last few years, it is important to consider, and then your question prompt. Then comes the paraphrasing of the question sentence. While some people believe, others argue that, there are many people who think, while there are many benefits too, there are also some drawbacks to consider. And for your opinion and the plan sentence, you can follow, I completely agree or disagree with this statement. I tend to agree or disagree with the former later argument. And in this essay, I'll support my view with the examples. In this essay, I'll discuss both sides of the argument. In this essay, I'll explore or discuss or highlight some of the problems associated with and propose or suggest or talk about some solutions. You can pick any of these expressions which suits your current writing style and write your 2-sentence or 3-sentence introduction in your IELTS writing section. I'd like to highlight the fact that yes, introduction is one of the most important paragraph, but you shouldn't spend more than expected time in writing the same. And if you find the content helpful in this video, kindly drop your feedback on fb.com/unlockielts-with-Richa. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page.